Hi everyone, this is P. Panneer, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Kamadhenu Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. Today we are going to be discuss topic on software testing. So what are the types of testings are available and what are the advantages and disadvantages of that in your software testing? Those things are going to be discussed over here. So what is made software testing? It's a process of evaluating and verifying that a software product or application does what it is supposed to do. The benefits of testing includes preventing bugs, reducing development cost, and improving performance. Test management plan. So, what are the types of software testing? The different types of software testings are unit testing. It's also called as a white box testing and integration testing, function testing. It's simply called as black box testing and regression testing, system test, acceptance and installation tests. So, how to define software testing principles? So, testing the execution of a program to find its faults. How you are going to be verification? The process of providing the program correctness. Validation, the process of finding errors by executing the program in a real environment. The debugging, it's simply diagnosing the errors and correct it. So the software testing principles is to remove as many defects as possible before test, since the quality improvement potential of testing is limited. So unit testing, first one, it's simply called as an white box testing. So it simply check individual components are tested in the programming, and it is a path test it to focus on relatively small segment of code and aim to excise a high percentage of the internal path. So, what is the disadvantage in unit testing? The tester may be biased by previous experience, and the test value may not cover all the possible values. So, integration testing, it's also have a classified into two method. That's the thing, top-down integration test and bottom-up integration test. In top-down integration test, the control program is tested first. Modules are integrated one at a time. Emphasis on interface testing. So advantages is to be here is no test drivers needed. Interface errors are discovered early. Modular features aid debugging. And the reason disadvantages is test steps are needed. Errors in critical model at low level are found late. The bottom-up integration test, it's allow early testing aimed at proving feasibility. That's the thing, emphasis on module functionality and performance. And the advantages is no test steps are needed. Errors in critical modules are found early. And there is a disadvantages also in bottom-up integration test. That's the thing, test drives are needed. Interface errors are discovered late. So final one, the function testing, that's in block box. So the design to excise the to its external specifications, testers not pierced by knowledge of programs design, and the disadvantages are the need for that's the thing, explicitly stated requirements only cover small portion of the possible test conditions. So the regression testing, the test the effect of newly introduced changes on all previously integrated code. The common strategy is accumulate comprehensive regression bucket but also define a subset. The full packet is run only occasionally, but the subset is run against every spin. There is a disadvantages is here how much subset to use and which test is to select. Test execution and reporting. The testing should be treated like an experiment. Testing requires that all anomalous behavior be noted and investigated. Big companies keep a special library with all copies of test reports, incident forms, and test plans. Thank you. I hope you had to be understand the basic things of in your testing. That's the thing. Unit testing and the black box testing is the more important in that era. So you should have a little bit concept on that thing also. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Tom.